Tequila. A drink that reminds us of celebrations, warmth, and a vibrant culture. It's the life of the party, bringing people together in moments of joy. But behind this drink lies a fascinating story. A story that begins in the heart of Mexico, in its vast fields and lively towns. This is the story of tequila, a gift from the agave plant, a plant that has been cultivated with love and care. For centuries, the people of Mexico have revered the agave, considering it sacred and essential to their culture. They have unlocked its secrets to create a drink that captures the spirit of their land, a drink that carries the essence of Mexico. Tequila is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of heritage and tradition, deeply intertwined with Mexican identity, reflecting its history and its people. Each sip tells a story of ancient practices, passed down through generations, preserving a legacy that lives on today. At the heart of the tequila story is an extraordinary plant, the blue agave. This majestic succulent thrives under the Mexican sun, its spiky leaves reaching for the sky. But it's the heart of the agave, the piña, that holds the key to tequila's magic. Growing agave is a labor of love. The plant takes years to mature, patiently storing sugars in its piña. Skilled farmers, known as jimadores, use a sharp tool called a koa to carefully extract the piña from the earth. Once harvested, the agave piñas undergo a transformation. They are slowly cooked, traditionally in stone ovens called hornos, to break down their complex starches into fermentable sugars. The air fills with the sweet, earthy aroma of roasting agave, a sensory experience that heralds the birth of tequila. The cooked agave, now soft and pliable, is crushed to release its sugary juice. This juice, known as aguamiel, is then fermented. Natural yeasts from the air transform the sugars into alcohol, resulting in a milky liquid called pulque, the precursor to tequila. The Alchemy of Distillation. The transformation of pulque into tequila happens at the distillery, where the magic truly begins. Here, the fermented agave juice undergoes a magical process, distillation, which is essential for creating tequila. This process, typically done twice, separates the alcohol from the other components, resulting in a clear, potent spirit, ready to be enjoyed. Distillation is a precise art, requiring meticulous attention and expertise. The distiller carefully monitors the process, separating the different parts of the distillate to ensure the finest quality. The heart of the distillation, known as the heart, is the purest and most flavorful part, destined to become high-quality tequila. The essence of time, aging, and types of tequila. The freshly distilled tequila, now a fiery spirit, embarks on its final stage, aging. This process is crucial for developing the unique flavors and characteristics that define each type of tequila. Some tequilas are bottled immediately, capturing the pure essence of the agave. These tequilas are known for their fresh, vibrant flavor. These are known as Blanco or silver tequilas, and they're perfect for cocktails or enjoying straight. Other tequilas are aged in oak barrels, allowing time to work its magic. This aging process adds depth and complexity to the drink. Reposado tequilas rest for a few months, acquiring a smoother, more rounded flavor, while Añejo tequilas mature for years, developing complex flavors of vanilla, caramel, and spice. These tequilas are true masterpieces of distillation. The story of tequila is a testament to the ingenuity and passion of the Mexican people. Each bottle tells a story of dedication and tradition. From the agave fields to the distillery, every step of the process is steeped in tradition and expertise. The workers pour their heart and soul into each stage. So, the next time you raise a glass of tequila, remember the journey it has taken. Toast to the history and effort behind every sip. Savor the flavors and appreciate the artistry behind this remarkable spirit. Each drop is a tribute to the rich heritage and mastery of Mexican distillation. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufacture straight to your feed.